Does flavored olive oil go bad? Absolutely yes. It's no different. It's olive oil, but now added an ingredient. Here's the thing. If you use extra virgin olive oil, which is the product we use, it goes bad after 8 to 12 months. Now, if it's regular olive oil, it goes bad after 18 months to 24 months. And that's about 2 years to a year. Now, here's the thing. If you store it correctly, you'll be fine. And our product, most people, majority of our customers go through our product within 3 to 6 months. So you're not going to have to worry about that. Now, if you're looking this up because you've stored your flavored olive oil in your pantry or in your refrigerator, it may be too long. But if it's in a refrigerator, you're going to be solid. It's not going to be that bad. It's not going to be rancid. Just open it up and smell it, and you should be fine. But if it's stored in room temp in your cupboard, yeah, it's safe to say you should get rid of it. But we don't suggest that you throw our flavored olive oil in room temp. We tell you to put it in the refrigerator. And if you're looking to buy a bottle, just go in the description. You can hit it there, or it's up here. Thanks for listening.